Have you ever felt so angry you didn't know what to do? Like you were a volcano, ready to explode? This is the story of Tara, a little girl with a big heart and even bigger feelings. Tara loved building things. Every day after school, she'd sit on her soft carpet with a pile of colorful blocks beside her. Red, yellow, blue. She stacked them carefully, tall towers reaching the clouds in her imagination. One sunny afternoon, she placed the final block on top of her tallest tower yet. Her eyes sparkled, her heart danced. "I did it," she whispered proudly. But just then, crash! Her little brother ran by, zooming like a rocket, and knocked the entire tower down. The blocks flew everywhere. Tara froze. Her hands clenched into fists, her cheeks turned red. Her chest felt tight, like a balloon about to burst. Inside her, the volcano was rumbling. She wanted to yell. She wanted to scream. She wanted to throw the blocks across the room. But then, beep, 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 a soft sound came from her shelf. It was her magic timer, a small blue gadget her teacher had given her last week. She remembered what her teacher had said. When your feelings feel too big, press the timer and breathe until the beeping stops. Tara reached for the timer. Beep! She pressed it. Beep! She breathed in, slowly. Beep! She let it out, gently. Inhale, exhale, again and again. The volcano inside her began to cool. Her fists relaxed, her face softened. The storm inside her passed. Then she looked up. Her little brother stood nearby, holding one of her blocks. His eyes were wide. He looked so sorry. I didn't mean to," he whispered. "I'm really sorry, Tara." Tara looked at the broken blocks. Then she looked at her brother. She took one more deep breath, and instead of shouting, she smiled. "It's okay," she said gently. "Want to help me build it again?" His eyes lit up, he nodded, and together, they began again. One block, then another, side by side. This time the tower grew taller, but more importantly, it was built with calm and love. Because sometimes our greatest strength comes not from how loud we are, but from how gently we choose to respond. Let's learn some word meanings. Volcano, a mountain that explodes with lava. In this story, it means very big anger building inside. Clenched, when your hands are squeezed tight because of a strong feeling. Timer, a small device that makes a sound after a set time. Inhale, to breathe in. Exhale, to breathe out. Calm, a peaceful, quiet feeling inside you. Apologize, to say I'm sorry when you do something wrong. Patience, staying calm when things don't go your way. Kindness, being gentle, caring, and helpful to others. So next time your volcano starts to rumble, pause, breathe, and let your calm voice lead the way. Because true strength isn't in shouting, it's in choosing kindness when it's hardest. Be calm, be kind. Be proud of how strong your heart really is. Did this story help you feel a little stronger today? Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little calm too. You got this.